Hi there, it's Ajonga Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. This is part 2 of the Microsoft Tab and Ribbon tutorials. In this video, we will be looking at the font group. The font group has two main rows. We have the first row and we have the second row. On the first row, we have the font, and this allows you, with this you can change the fonts of your text. Just select the text, click on this and click on this arrow, and we have so many fonts to choose. You can also hover and you see the changes as you hover. You see how it looks. Look at the changes, how it looks like. Let's try to find a nice font for it. All font, yes. This, how about this? Yeah, this is okay. This is also nice. Okay, this is nice. So we can change the font size next. So we can change the fonts of our text. Next is the font size. We can also change the font size of our text. Just select the text you want to change the font size. Now click on this arrow and then you select the one you want. Let's pick 20, and there you go. Now we can, next to that is a button that allows you to increase the font size a bit. So for example, right now the font size is 20. We can increase it a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. See that. And next to that is also an option that allows us to actually reduce the font size or decrease the font size a bit. So make it a little bit smaller. All right, let's making it a little bit smaller. So let's change the font size back to 11, that's the default, and then we change the font, and we also change the font. Now with this, next is the case, the case change. So we can just select this sentence here, and then we change the case, meaning that we have first sentence change, we have lowercase, we have uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. I will show you what sentence change looks like later. But for now, let's go with the lowercase, and everything has been changed to lowercase. So go back, click on uppercase, and every letter is now on uppercase. Now go back again, and then we now pick capitalize each word, meaning that each word is going to start with a uppercase letter. Then go back and then toggle case, and toggle case is going to toggle the uppercase letters to lower cases and lowercase letters to uppercase letters. And look at that. You see all the uppercase letters are now lower cases, and lower cases letters are now upper cases. Let's go back there and now look at the sentence case. Now the sentence case is going to make the first letter of the first word a uppercase letter, and all the rest is going to be lowercase letters. So we select that, and you see it is only V that is a uppercase letter, but the rest are small case letters. And next to that is clear all formatting. For example, if I change this, italize this and underline this, and I want to clear everything, all the formatting, I just want to take this this and this out. I just click clear formatting and it goes away. That is what clear formatting does too. Next, we also have on the second row bold, and to bold our text, just bold my text. Next is to italize the text too, and the next is to underline the text too. Now when it comes to underlines, we have so many options there. So when I click on this down arrow, we can change the underline style, and we have this line, that's the underline, we have the double underline, we have the tick underline, we have the dotted underline, we have the dash underline, we have this dot dash underline too, we have dot dash underline, and we have wave underline. Now we can also change the underline color. So if I move down and hover over this, I can change the underline color. So look at that, and the color has been changed. You can also pick a color you like at all. We can go with red, and it has changed to underline. We can also go with any color at all. Let's go with this orange color, and it is there. Now one thing I would also like to show you is the more underline. So if you click on this, you will have underline styles here to choose from. You have a lot of them here to choose. Just cancel this and let's move on. Clear? Now you understand. Now this is strike through, and strike through allows you to cross something out by drawing a straight line through it. So we select this and we just click on strike through, and then it has just crossed it by drawing a line through it. We can do that several times on the page, on the word, on the paragraph. Can do that to a whole paragraph, and that is it. So then let me take them off before we continue, and that is it. Hi there, it's Azonga Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video we'll be looking at the font group, and next to that is superscript, and with you type a small letter just below the text line. For example, if I wanted to type a small a here, what I need to do is to just click on subscript and type small a, and now you have that. You can see that here. And next to that too, we also have the superscript, and superscript allows you to type a small letter above the text line. So here, if I wanted to type a small b above the text line, I just type I just click on superscript and then b here, and you now have the b on top or above the text line here. Now we just undo that, and then next to that is we add text effect and typography. So with this you can just flare your text with glow, with shadow, with reflection. You select this. Let's select something here, and then go back to this, and you see how it changes. We can add a orange. If you look at all the things, we can add our line. See how it looks, the changes is. Now we can add shadow to it. Okay, we can add shadows to it. You can also add reflections to it. We can also add reflections to it, and look at that. Then we can also add glow to it, and look at how it is. So we have so many you look at that, and then that is it. So we can do that, and next to that is also the text highlight color. So you can just make your text stand out by highlighting it with a bright color. So select this, click on this, and then now we have our text selected. Now we can select it and then select the text here. Oh, come on. Okay, select the text here, then go and click on this arrow. Then now we now have high contrast colors that you can just pick, choose the one you want, and then you move on, and then that is it. Now next to that is the text color. We can also change the text color of our document. So we select this and we click on it. It is now red. Now better still, we can select this, the text, then now click on this down arrow, and we now have a lot of colors to choose from. And this is all the colors we have. We have the theme colors and the standard colors. We can even talk about more colors here, and then you can pick custom color. You can pick RGB, or you can take HSL, or you can take hex colors here. The one you like, you can just cancel it, or you can, it's better still, add gradient colors here. And then we have the so many vibration. You pick the one you want. You look at the effect on the text. You can also have more gradient colors now. So we have the solid or gradient. Now you now have the page, the preset gradients. You can change all these settings, linear or radial or part or rectangular, anyone you like, you can just pick. And we also have the direction. Where do you want the direction to be? And you look at the angle, you can pick your angle. And then the gradient stop, you can define your gradient stop here. Okay, where the color starts and stop. We can also change the color. Look at the colors here. I have a lot of colors to take, the position and transparency. You can also have transparency here, increase it and decrease it, and brightness too. You can also add a brightness over here. All right, in this video, if you look at how to change the font size, to bold, to italize, underline, and strike through, and a lot more. That is it for this video. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this.